had to get myself a GoPro mount for my bike. Not GoPro brand, but don't have no brand. There we go. I needed something because the head thing that goes on my head or my chest just bounces everywhere, looks every which way. Figured this may be something good. We'll mount it and see if it's the best or not. It's metal. I did like it has like a little 360 spin on it if I want to hurry up and make it look somewhere instead of turning my handlebars or something while I'm driving. Who knows? We do a lot of weird stuff when we're driving. This is bought brand new. Nice to give you the Allen wrench for it. Got enough of them things laying around. Has very good weight to it. Doesn't feel like it'll just vibrate off. That's not a plastic head on it. I like that. Does not come with a replaceable nut right there. Normally you could slide your own little GoPro nut in there. This won't slide out. If you push on it, it won't slide out. All this is in really nice metal construction. Could be aluminum most likely. That means do not over tighten this because it could strip out since it's aluminum. That should fit my bar pretty well. I don't think that would fit a four-wheeler bar. I think four-wheeler bars are a bit thicker. It has like a little feltness to it. Not much felt to it. Super thin felt. If I could turn the light on for you guys. Yeah, now you can see the felt. Doesn't feel like it'd be very grippy, but it's nicer than nothing. So this is what I was hoping for. You're supposed to be able to turn this or something? Oh, Jesus. Gosh, that's stiff. So this is straight. Whew. It turns. Okay, now it turns a lot easier. Still stiff though. You want it to be stiff. I thought you had to pull up on it or something. There's not even instructions. I thought you had to pull up on it to make it turn. Definitely feels strong enough. I don't think if it's bouncing around, I just hit on the floor and it didn't even straighten it out or nothing. So if you're going down the road really quick, you should be able to grab your whole unit and just turn it. I'm going to be using my nice gimbal on this. Somehow I'm going to be using my gimbal on this. I don't really know. I got to do a lot of adapters to make that gimbal work. But this is what I wanted. Now let's go install it. Got myself plenty of room on these handlebars. This is a bicycle that has been converted over to a motorbike. If you guys want to see more about it, I have plenty of videos on it. There's going to be better videos coming soon. I guess this is a reflector I don't use. There'll be more videos coming soon because now I have a gimbal that will definitely make the videos come out a lot more smoother. So, as my neighbor goes by really loud. So I'm actually getting rid of, this is getting turned down. So I'm going to put it on this side because I'm doing away with 2 brake levers, combining them into one as soon as that comes in the mail. So let's install it and see how good it does. I think I'm only going to have to undo one side. Now loop around, go right in like that. I'm going to put it clear up against the center post. That way if my center post ever comes loose, it won't go back and forth. Maybe this will save it. Gotta say, I think I'm going to run out of... Oh, okay, there we go. Just tightening that one down a little bit. Now I'm going to run this one all the way in. It's got a long way to go. Now remember, it's aluminum, so you don't want to over tighten it. And I'm finding that the tool they provided is not long enough. I'm hitting right here. Do you see that? Yeah, now I'm hitting full on, so I'm gonna have to go to the side thing. The side. I'm gonna tighten it with my fingers from the bottom. There, level it as best as I can. I'm gonna turn it. There, that would be straight. Yeah, it hits. I'm gonna have to only use this way, which is fine. Pretty sure it's still going into aluminum. Yeah, just aluminum, so you don't want to tighten it too much. Most likely it's aluminum. I don't see it being metal. There we go. Feels nice and strong. Oh, now that it's mounted, it's a lot easier to turn. Okay, so now I have a 3D printed thing that I need on here. That way I can quick attach it. Quick attach you guys. I don't do this thing where I slide this in and all that. Slide it in like I just did. Oh, I think I just broke it. Broke something. Oh, I broke my mount, which is fine because that one needed to break off anyways. Okay, so going down the road I can just grab it, turn it. Let's keep the fuel on this bad boy. Make sure there's fuel in it. Shut you guys off for a little bit so I can go down the road a little bit. That way not all the stalkers can figure out right where I live right away. Let's go. Okay. I don't get ran over. Let's test it out. Hopefully I don't get lost either. So many roads. Just move to this area. So the noise you hear is the engine not running. We'll go with it running in a little bit. This is just me pedaling. There's me flipping to the right. Super easy. I've already rode a little bit. It does not auto move itself, which is nice. Looks to the left. Let's go like that. Vibrates a lot, especially when I got the engine running. If you guys watch future videos, most likely I'll have a gimbal attached to this thing. That way it's nice and smooth. Also going to do a video on that because that'll be fun. Thanks for watching.